guys, it's Star. Bill and Dave are about 10 minutes away from my house. A lot of you know them as the Gnome Frog on Instagram. You've seen them on Casey's channel when we were at eBay Open. They're in the VIP group, and they are driving across the state of Pennsylvania to visit with me and Keith this weekend. They're about 10 minutes away, so we're just like waiting for them, and then we're going to go out to dinner and do some sourcing this weekend with them. It's going to be a good time. I'll get a lot of it on camera for you guys to see. I'm so excited. They're here!
Hello!
Hello! Hello!
Hello! Hello!
Hey!
Hello! Yes! Hi! Hey Keith, how are you?
Hey, I'm alright.
Oh, it's the cameraman! Hey!
Look guys, they brought me a present! So I'm going to open it. eBay tissue paper.
eBay tissue paper. Imagine. Go figure.
Oh my god, it's so cute! Oh, look! Thank you!
You're welcome. I thought
It's a cooking hippo.
for your cooking show.
It's a cooking hippo! She's for the cooking show. Oh, it's a little hungry hippo. From a...
Yay.
I can't stand it.
Can't come empty-handed.
She's so cute. Thank you guys.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
Yes.
Hey guys, we just finished eating dinner here at the Burgatory.
Excellent food.
What'd you guys think?
Great meal. Loved it.
Loved it. Thank you.
Milkshakes are fantastic.
We had great baked burgers and milkshakes with alcohol in them. David had a margarita.
I had a margarita.
We had adult milkshakes.
Yes.
And an elk burger.
And he had milk, and you had...
Bacon and hamburger mixed.
And I just had hamburger, but... so yeah, we just ate here. We're gonna head over, we have a TJ Maxx here, a Ross, and a... What's the other one?
I don't know.
There's a TJ Maxx, a Ross, and a Marshalls.
We're not in this town.
We don't live here.
And you guys that have been watching my channel for a long time know that I absolutely fail at retail arbitrage. It's always fun to try. So
Here we go.
All right, it's fun. Bye.
apparently it is not acceptable to be an alcoholic. It's called adulting. Where's Michael Kors? Oh, look at this. $149. What? What do those go with?
Oh, sure.
Oh, they go with my flannel shirt.
David might be buying these because we think he'd be cute in them.
Yeah.
Here's some for Bill.
Do they match? Are
I
they my
think
color?
they do.
Hold on.
All right. You're not going to show your children.
You can't even get half your foot in this.
Oh my God! Look at the size of this Toblerone.
Look what I found. Sketcher. They're trying to gross me out and see somebody else tried these on before me.
They did.
But look, I have a sock on. These are Skechers flip-flops, which are like my favorite shoe ever, and they're only $12. I'm probably getting these for myself. Look what Bill found.
Hi, my new best friend. Yay!
I think you've been replaced.
I've been replaced. His beard is better than
He's
mine.
been replaced. I like this beard better than that beard.
He looks more snuggly.
No, that will not happen. Oh no.
We're gonna get kicked out of this store. I pushed a button and it brought people running. Look at this. This is gross. I'm still mourning Halloween.
Morning Halloween.
I'm mourning the loss.
There's a tradition that we do. Walt Davis taught us, and I gotta find it. You know.
We found a pretty Christmas dress. Bill's gonna wear this to his holiday party at work.
I will not. I will be dead first.
I have an image to uphold. No. Absolutely not.
His better half has spoken. No. Timberland. We're at Marshall's now. We were gonna go on the 5 and Below, but they're closed because apparently it's 9 o'clock at night. None of us have any concept of time at the moment.
We've done well with Timberland.
Lucky Timberland? That's okay. This is real life, bro. We're vlogging.
We actually sold Timberland on eBay, men's, and then a women's on Poshmark the same day. Boots. They were great.
Timberland.
Timberland.
But not for these prices.
No.
Wait, is that a clearance sticker? Let's see. For Hilfiger.
No way.
Y'all be chirping. Y'all be chirping. Look at these ugly things.
This is more than...
Here's Paul, right? How much are you? No room.
No. What are you thinking?
I don't know. Free Planet 4X, comping it, $25. This is new with tags, $8. Probably 34. I don't know. I'm tossed up in the air about it.
So 35 minus 15%, Keith. 35 minus 15%.
Not good at math.
He has my calculator. Check that out.
$9.75.
$29.75 minus 8 is $21.75. And shipping would probably be like $3.75. So you're looking at like an $18 profit.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I mean, and
All right, guys.
it's ugly, and ugly sells.
I think I'm going to go for it.
All right, he's going to go for it.
Yep. We'll keep you updated.
Yep.
All right.
So that's a good lesson for you guys. Just do your math when you're in the store, when you're comping. Take your 15% off, which is average PayPal, eBay fees, your cost of goods, and your shipping. And hey, look, that was an $18 profit, so he's going to get it.
Plus 4X sells very well for
He
us.
said,
Oh.
I'm not ready.
Same
Oh yeah,
brand.
that's a 4X, guys.
Plus 4X sells very well for us.
So actually, you could
Yes.
probably charge more towards 40
Yes.
for this, because
Yes.
it's a plus size, right?
And it could be a good Poshmark item also.
Yep, but being plus size, he can charge more.
Yes, we do very good with X3 and up.
Us too. And I always charge like $5 more.
Okay.
So there you go. You're looking at maybe like a $22. Closer. 23. I don't math. Morning, guys.
Hi, good morning.
We are headed to the Goodwills in a minute, but we're going to have some breakfast.
Breakfast, coffee. Always
Breakfast and coffee.
Coffee.
Take them on the rounds to all our Goodwills.
Yay!
And we're gonna have a bitch fight in the G aisle.
You think?
Hey guys! What's in my way there?
It's called the rearview mirror.
That is a rearview mirror. I'm not driving, Keith is. So we're not in danger.
Thank you, Keith.
Yes, thank Keith.
We just finished breakfast, which was amazing, and David treated. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome, of course.
It was delicious. We went to a little diner in our town, and they have great prices and like old-timey diner food. We were headed to our first Goodwill. We're gonna try to hit 3, maybe 4.
Yay.
We're gonna have a thrift battle.
Yes.
Yes.
We're gonna see who can find the best stuff.
We're going to be
Yes.
fighting over it.
Fighting over it.
Absolutely.
All right, I'll check in with you guys at the stores and show you what we're doing.
Star gets no men's jeans.
Look what we found.
Well, maybe he's not as impressive as I was hoping. It's not the same one, but it's the only one that comes up as like a fish that's jumbo, almost 5 feet long and 25 bucks.
I don't know if you guys heard what Keith was saying, but there's only ever been one jumbo classic toy company fish this large that's sold. It went for $25 free ship, but it was a plain blue. This is like neat. We just left the first Goodwill. How'd you guys do?
Good. Found fair. Yeah.
Fair to bad one.
Of Donald Trump collared shirt and a goofy T-shirt.
Cool. I found some cool jeans. I'm gonna show you guys later. We felt sorry for the girl that worked there. The line was really long, and people were yelling at her from the line.
They were very rude
to open
her.
another register, and there was nobody else there at the time. Oh, it was a mess, but we got out alive.
Yes.
The guy behind me was trying to start a fight with me. I was nice.
It is football Sunday, so fights are always good.
So we're gonna go to another one, but yeah, we did some good stuff in here. He found a Robert Graham.
Yes, Keith did good.
And I found some really good jeans, so we'll check in after the second one. Look at, I'm such a great camera guy. Bill.
Hello, how are you?
He found a North Face windbreaker, but look what they want for it.
And this is why I don't like sometimes the Goodwill, because they overprice their stuff.
Yeah.
$5 I would have taken it.
Yep. And then look at what I found,
But
guys.
this is going back on the rack. But
Yeah, he's putting that back.
But what Star found, Snoop Dogg.
Snoop Dogg jeans, y'all. Oh, and they're like, they have the vintage look. They're 80s-ish. So, I'm getting those. We'll keep looking through the men's clothing and see what we find. Hi.
Hi.
We just came out of the second Goodwill. Bill speaking in. He found the coolest Coogie shirt, you guys.
Yes.
It's awesome.
We'll show later.
And I got some Snoop Dogg jeans.
Yes.
So we're going to head over to another Goodwill. And then when we're done with that, we're going to take these guys to the Monroeville Mall and show them where Dawn of the Dead, the original by Romero, was filmed. Grab some lunch, then we're going to head home, and I guess we're going to do a live haul video.
Yes.
Yes.
So we'll see you guys later.
Shirt, right? Yeah. We only have these 3 bags.
Look at how full the trunk is.
We have
So-
3 bags.
Yeah, the boys have 3 bags. Me and Keith
We have like 6.
have like 6. We just went into our 3rd Goodwill. We found some good stuff.
Now we're starving.
Academics.
Yeah, I found True Religion jeans. That turned out to be fake. So,
Yeah.
but we
You got Michael Kors.
I did get Michael Kors new tags. So that's exciting.
Yes.
So we're starving. We're gonna head over to the Monroeville Mall now and see where Dawn of the Dead was filmed. Woo! And
Ooh,
eat.
scary.
And eat.
Yay.
Nom nom nom! Hey guys, we just got back from sourcing all day. Look how short I am. We just got back from sourcing all day long. We went to 3 different Goodwills. And we are going to do a pop-up live show in just a few minutes on my channel. I know I usually go on at 8 p.m. on Sundays, but these guys got to get back on the road and head back across the state.
Yes.
Yes.
So in about 15 minutes, we're getting our stuff ready to show you guys. We are going to do a live haul video and show you guys what we found today. Live on my channel. Link is in the bio. We'll see you there.
Bye.